There's one thing I've learned in the last 2 months. You can plan your day, your sailing day, but it will never work. So we arrived yesterday in the street of Messina. We were just looking for an anchorage place, but there were fire everywhere. It was smelling, you cannot see anything. So we decided to make another night sail. And yeah, we sailed to Taormina, another place on the Sicily side, and stayed there for the night. Then we met a really nice couple, Andy and Steph, and had some talk with them. Yeah, now we had to head on to Catania, because tomorrow my daughter and my best friend will arrive for sailing holiday. Yeah, I'm so happy that they come.
A few days ago we made an experience which you actually don't like to make while you are sailing. We have lost our tender, and well, we didn't lose it, basically it has been stolen. So we went ashore to do some provisioning, and by the time we came back, our tender, which has been tied or which has been locked with a padlock and a steel cable to a pole on the beach, yeah, has been stolen. So by the time we came back, the entire pole, including the concrete socket, has been ripped out of the ground, and our tender was gone. In one marina we were lucky enough to find a used tender, so we bought this, and from that then we were mobile again.
So that's just one lesson. Every guest on board has to learn very, very fast. You should never play Uno with the crew.
Also eingelöst wird meine Uno-Wette. Danke Nina, danke Mario. Ich habe ja verloren, ne? Also, ich bin voll der Loser im Uno-Spielen und jetzt muss ich einmal ums Boot schwimmen und sagen, dass meine Mutter besser Uno spielen kann als ich.
So we have passed most of the Calabrian coast and are getting closer to the Adriatic Sea. The only thing which we have to do is to make an oil change. Unfortunately, we haven't yet found the corresponding oil filter, and apparently it's quite difficult to get one. Now we've got 2 or 3 more places where we could ask for one, and we'll see if it works out.
Finally, we've got everything together for our oil change, and this is only possible because of Sasha. Sasha is a guy who we have met here in Leuca. We told him about our hard time to find the fitting filter for our engine, and he, being half local, couldn't really understand why it was so difficult. So he offered his help to find it, and indeed, thanks to his awesome support, we are now able to make the change and are prepared for our next offshore sail to Montenegro. Sasha, thank you again very much for your assistance. Great work. But before moving on, we went for a lovely day sail with Sasha and his family to some amazing underwater caves just next of Leuca.